Hi, I'm Kurt Hoffman. I'm the Crop Packaging Marketing Manager at New Holland. And behind me today is a Roll-Belt 450 crop cutter. And today I'd like to go through the Roll-Belt family with you. We have a 70-50 baler, which makes a 4x4 bale. We have a 450 utility baler, which is a hobby farmer baler, makes a 4x5 size bale. We have a Roll-Belt 450 family, which the crop cutter happens to be one of. We have a 460 family, a 550, and a 560. Bales are 4x4 at the 70-50 level, 4x5 at the 450 utility and 450 level, 4x6 obviously with the 460, 5x5 with the 550, 5x6 with the 560.